Okay, I'm back. Traffic counts, along with demographics, dealing with the population, age, income. Okay, starting with traffic count. Uh, Normally, the national tenant, that's what NTs mean, the national tenant will provide their minimum guidelines on this type of information as far as how many cars pass by this particular building on a daily basis. That's simply what it means. Brokers normally will provide this information for you if they're trying to sell or lease a building. The state Department of Transportation website will also do the same, which I'm going to show you an example of both the broker's flyer and the state's website for my state. Your state may be different, may have it, may not, may be better, may not be. You're going to have to just do a Google search for it or call them and ask for it. But the demographics, that's normally it's within a mile, 3 mile, or 4 mile radius is what they're looking for, which you'll see on the flyer when I show it here. So the same thing. The national tenant will provide the minimum guidelines, and the broker normally will provide that information for you. If not, you can discover it yourself. There's some other ways to do it. So let's get over here to this page here. So we're going to start the traffic count. The Alabama traffic data. I don't think you can see that, but you can see the map. So what I'm doing, I'm going to select the county that I'm in, that I do a lot of my scouting in is Jefferson. And we'll just say Hoover. That's a suburb of Birmingham. So we'll just say Hoover. Boom. All right, now it looks a lot of jumbled here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to blow this up by just simply moving the mouse here. So let me get over here to something that I definitely recognize and something I'm actually targeting. Okay, so there's Montgomery Highway. Okay, there we are in Hoover. That's 459. Okay. Where's South Drive? Okay, here we are. I'm looking at a building right in this area. I don't know if you can see the number here, but 37,260 cars pass by this particular location at this intersection right here, on a daily basis. And that's a lot of people. That normally is going to meet the minimum requirements of a lot of national tenants normally. So your Department of Transportation, it may be called something different in your state, but that's a way that you can find, which I'm surprised Alabama on their website suck, but this is pretty good for what we're trying to do. It gives you a really good idea, and you can also refer potential buyers to this, but they're going to normally do their due diligence on their own. They're not going to trust what you're saying. Okay, just to show you an example of a flyer from a broker. All right, this property here, this property has been vacant for a long time. It used to be an actual, I'm sorry, yeah, it used to be an actual, yeah, this is one of the ones that I'm targeting. I put an offering already on it as a date of this video. But it used to be a Quincy's. If you're old enough, you remember Quincy's. As I said, it's like a Golden Corral or Ryan's, or just was an all-you-can-eat place. So what we have here is that they did a really good job with this one. They identified the map, the street. There goes the actual traffic count, which is 24,470, and it identifies, it diagrams the actual site itself, and it names the street. Okay, so if we scroll down here a little, all right, it sits on 2.05 acres. The asking price is $900,000. It's available immediately. Right there it sits right off the freeway. The traffic on the freeway is over 54,000. Then the traffic that runs in front of the building is 24,470. All right, within a 1 mile radius, the population is 4,950. Within the median income is median income is 42,940. One within 3 miles, look how the population jumps from 40, almost 5,000, almost up to 42,000. And the income, it does drop a little because this is a C area, so it's now 40,000. Within 5 miles, look where it jumps. It jumps from 41, almost 42,000, almost to 108,000, and the income is just under 44,000. Very important information. All of this is very important information that that's the basic information that you'll provide to a national tenant when you call them. From there, they may ask for a few more things that you should be able to gather very quickly from your broker, from the actual broker. But you then will you'll just do due diligence. All that information is available. You just make it happen. Okay, this guy, he even diagrammed it even more. Here's the actual site down here at the bottom, and look at all of these tenants. This is the shopping center directly across the street, and there's Walmart right there. But look at all of these tenants here: Rite Aid, Hibbett's, Pizza Hut, GNC, Sally's. There's a Planet Fitness right there, also across the street. Just up the street, Dollar General, Best Way, Waffle House, Title Place, which is a regional company. Look here, three major banks, regional banks, Regions Bank, BB&A, Compass, and Wells Fargo, and obviously the Walmart, the GameStop, Payless. You see what I'm saying? That CV, all of this which is within 0.25 miles of this business. This is a very attractive area. This is a deal that I hope that I can obtain. I'm the second offer on it, but I actually just offer what they're asking. Hopefully they'll go with me because I'm offering what they're asking, because it's a no-brainer of a deal. And you don't know, but you can't go beyond. You can't go beyond what you don't know. So this is an actual picture of it, a little bit more information about it, but this is the flyer that a broker would normally provide. This is a really good one here. I'll show you another example of another flyer. Now this building here has been renovated. It's an old Starbucks. It's probably been vacant for at least 5 years. I don't know what's going on with this. I tried to contact this one. I didn't even know what I was doing. Now this flyer here is not as good as the other, but it's okay. It still gives you the information that 1, 2, 3, 5 mile radius. Still gives you the general information that you're looking for. It gives you the traffic count and so on. So, but this is how the flyers will look, what you'll be able to use this same information, and you can actually go in and edit all of this out, which that's not difficult to do through a PDF editor, and you can send this same exact flyer and just remove the contact information of the broker and maybe even put yours in there. Looks professional. They've already done the hard work for you. So hopefully this helps a lot. But that information is normally readily made available to you through the actual broker. I'll see you on the next module.